In this video, I will show you how to earn $295 free PayPal money every day on Autopilot. All you want to do is watch this entire video and follow the steps in this tutorial to earn this pure passive income again and again. The best thing is that this method is completely free and available all over the world. If you don't follow all the steps and pay close attention, you may not make any money at all. So, please pay very close attention to the end of the video. Now the website, which will help us make free PayPal money, is known as Pinterest.com. We will be using two more websites, along with Pinterest in today's tutorial. So, Pinterest is a place where people share various photos, along with few videos as well. You'll see why this website is so important to our method later. I request you not to leave the video in between. Because, we are not going to make money by sharing shortened links, and you don't have to do any hard work. Now what you have to do is create an account by clicking on the sign up button in the upper right corner here. You can either sign up with your Facebook and Google account, or you can sign up manually by entering your email, password, along with your age. This is how everything looks like once you sign in with your new account. I want to show you a couple of things before we move on with our method. First thing is, this website will work worldwide. As you can see, all of these countries are accepted. So, it doesn't matter from which country you come from. But, let me know your country in the comments section. Now the second thing I want to show you is that Pinterest.com is so popular and is visited by over 1 billion people on monthly basis. The second site we will be using is called affplus.com. Maybe some of you already know about this website. But for those of you who haven't, it's essentially an affiliate marketplace similar to digistore24.com or clickbank.com. The only big difference between the two of them is that AFF Plus has CPA and CPL offers, which stand for cost per action and cost per lead. This means that you can make money by getting people to just sign up to some website or just give them your mail. Meanwhile, on Digistore24 and Clickbank, you can only promote digital products. So, if you want to get paid, you'll have to try and convince people to buy something more valuable, which is difficult to do, and the majority of you watching this video will be able to make far more money by convincing people to just sign up for a free website rather than buy a product. This is the reason we are using affplus.com. Also, you don't need any particular skill set as an affiliate. Now, we want to look for CPA and CPL offers in particular. I recommend you to search for giveaway offers and PayPal gift card giveaway offer. Giveaways are an incredibly easy way to get people to sign up for some site. What I actually mean is that you can make a lot more money promoting those offers. This is not mandatory, you can find something else to promote if you think you can do well with that offer. Now, type in PayPal in the search bar here and simply pick from any of these offers here. Here is the one I will be using as an example. This is a $1,000 PayPal gift card giveaway, and will pay me $2.95 per email submit, which is actually a very good offer. You will only need 100 email submits to earn $295, which is very easy to get with the help of Pinterest. Now, you will need to copy the affiliate link by just clicking the Join Network button right here. This will take you to the affiliate network that's running the offer, where you can sign up for free and then grab the link for the offer. After you've grabbed that link, you'll want to go to the third and final platform we'll be using. That platform is called canva.com. Most of you have probably heard of this, but for those of you who haven't, it's a designer's website where you can create anything from an Instagram post to a website presentation using the thousands of templates available. It's also completely free, so you won't be spending any money on it. You'll need to create an account by clicking here and filling out all of your information. Once you've done that, this is how everything will look, and let me quickly explain why we're using Canva here. As I previously stated, Pinterest is an image sharing platform, and as such, we will be using Canva to create a photo that we will then upload to Pinterest, where it will be seen by millions of people, because, as I said before, it is a very popular site. So, once you sign up for Canva, type Pinterest in the search bar and you will be able to see all these templates. When you find something you like, simply click on it. This will take you to the editor, where you can customize your template. You'll want to write something along the lines of, free $1,000 gift card giveaway. Simply write something along those lines, as I did here, and you'll want to spend some time making this as good as possible. Once you're satisfied with your design, and it's finished, simply click the download button in the upper right corner to save it to your computer. From there, you'll want to go back to the first site, Pinterest. You'll now want to upload that photo here. To do so, scroll down and click on the plus icon here, which will take you to this page, where you can find and upload that photo of yours by clicking on this arrow. When you've done that, you'll want to give your pin a title, such as Free $1,000 PayPal Gift Card Giveaway. For example, if you have a $500 Amazon gift card, you'll obviously type 500 in that. Just below that, you can write a brief description, such as, sign up for free for the first 100 people. And just below that, where it says add destination link, you can paste the affiliate link you got from App Plus website. After that, simply click the publish button up here, and this is where the sheer popularity of Pinterest, which I mentioned earlier, comes into play. Because it is visited by 1 billion people per month, you can expect thousands of views, and because it is a gift card giveaway, most people who see your image will click on your destination link and want to check out the giveaway. In this way, you will be able to make hundreds upon hundreds of dollars in completely passive income. So, that's how you can make $295 free PayPal money every day on Autopilot. But before you go, I have a question. Do you want to earn $1,000 daily? If yes, then my number one recommendation is to learn affiliate marketing properly and start earning $1,000 per day by joining the cheapest affiliate program. Go on, check the first link in description for more information, and make sure you have subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on. I hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.